Ka skul ba North Eastern Hill University ka Iasnohktilang bat ka Melbourne University jong ka Australia na ka Bynta ka British Library Endangered Archives program na ni Bleap. Kani ka program ka thumu ban penrung i khana pateng shipang ka culture jong kini ki ari ha ka digital archives. Ya ka Bleap project la penyaj da ka British Library kat baya ka jingbai tingka la no da ka Arcadia. Ka badai ka senjuk ka bakhmi ya ka baha kamiat jong ki patba ka leng ka perthai. Ufok Loris ubadairu professor ka Nehu iba Desmond Karmau Plang bat professor ka subject history ka school ba Melbourne Andrew J May kila ong ba ka ne ka program ka long ka bakongsan ka banlum ya ki jingtho ki kot ki bakongsan ki kot khubor ki shithi ki dur ha ki computer kamashwa ya ka ne iba Desmond Karmau Plang ila ong ba kila pelong ya ka ne ka jing terpat ba da ka jingtmu ban pentep sha ki pat ba halo ka ne ka project.
So this represents these.
So a 12-month project. It was not digitising everything. It was a pilot project, but as part of that, we have identified and we have learned that there was a significant amount of more material that could be digitised in the future, and that could be part of another phase of the project if we apply for funding. We collected a number of these types of materials. So we collected materials, for example, from the Assam Club, materials from the Sacred Heart Theological College Library, where they had really important collections of early KHASI language newspapers that are fragmented and rare, and sometimes the only copy that exists.
Pentreka mengenai projek lengba ke North Eastern Hill University Shillong, bat ke University of Melbourne, Australia. Di lengba mengenai projek ngilala ban dokumen, ngilala ban digitize, bun ba ki spa material ke ba